Hi, it's almost graduation day, and some schools already have their graduation. It's time to say congratulations. But how do we sign congratulations in Filipino Sign Language and Korean Sign Language? Congratulations in Sign Language and Filipino Sign Language is the same. In Korean Sign Language is 축하해 or 축하합니다. It's like fireworks, 축하합니다. Congratulations, 축하합니다. Congratulations to the students and to their parents and siblings as well. To the whole family for supporting their graduate. Congratulations. 생일 축하합니다. Just kidding. Hi, thank you for your continued support. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, suggestions, or comments, please write in the comments below. See you in the next video.